So if I have to say 4 different concepts within Islam, first one would be the oneness of God, and Him alone we should worship and submit to. Second concept would be the concept of prophethood. Prophets came to invite people to worship on God. The third of the 4 concepts within Islam is that when we went to schools and colleges, our teachers, our professors, they used to give us a study guide, resources, textbook. So we can learn, we can educate ourselves, and then we can excel. In the same way, we say that God has given us study guides to humanity. So to believe in those study guides, we call them as the scriptures or revelation. That's the third important concept within Islam. And the last study guide or the last scripture is the Quran itself. And the fourth important concept within Islam is every single person is going to die one day, and then Allah is going to bring us back to life. So there would be a day of resurrection and a day of judgment. So just to summarize, Islam is the name of the faith. That means submission to the one creator, believing in all the prophets and the scriptures, and praying to Allah for forgiveness. And inshallah, hopefully, He will induct us into paradise.